engineering firm Sistra has responded to Mirror Now after the Bombay High Court ruled against MMRDA's decision to terminate its metro consultancy contract, calling the move arbitrary and unfair. The company has welcomed the verdict and reiterated its commitment to completing the Mumbai metro projects and also restoring its relations with MMRDA. Sistra has also dismissed allegations made by certain sections of MMRDA, which had accused the firm of regulatory violations, confidentiality breaches, and also poor performance. Instead, Sistra now claims that the payment suspensions and contract termination were absolutely unjustified, leading it to seek legal recourse. Addressing reports of French diplomatic involvement in the entire process, Sistra now clarified that its engagement with the embassy was solely to resolve the issue and not to escalate tensions any further. CEO Hari Somal Raju has now reaffirmed the company's ethical business practices and also stated that operations remain unaffected and the company is now trying to clear all the misunderstandings with MMRDA. My colleague Shweta joins us on the broadcast. Shweta, this is the response that we have from Sistra now, making it very clear that they don't want to get involved in any sort of politics. The only focus is the completion of the projects, and also at the same time, they want to uphold their ethical values.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, Mirror now has received exclusive response from Sistra engineering firm. Remember, when it comes to the French engineering firm Sistra, this was the general consultancy when it comes to Mumbai Metro project. And ever since MMRDA roped in Sistra, it's been 4 years now. And remember, when it comes to the termination, just a termination notice without their period getting over, that's in 2026. This erupted into a controversy, and then Sistra approached the Bombay High Court. In a major relief to Sistra, the Bombay High Court had ruled out the notice which was given by MMRDA, calling it as arbitrary in nature. Now, when Sistra has responded to Mirror Now queries, it has very categorically spoken about few things. Point number one, they have refuted all the allegations that were leveled against them by MMRDA that pertains to the security breaches or about the confidentiality or about their rules security, and also on the other faction which also talks about their project. Apart from this, Sistra also essentially mentioned one point stating that they wanted to resolve the issue, not to escalate tension between them and MMRDA. The involvement or the engagement of embassy was just to resolve. In fact, Sistra believes in restoring relationship with MMRDA. This is what they have stated. In fact, the CEO of Sistra India, Mr. Hari Somal Raju also stated that they will continue to work ethically and the practices would be adhered to. When it comes to the operations and the project, that remains unaffected. So clearly here we understand that when it comes to the mega infrastructure project of Mumbai, that is Mumbai Metro project, that remains unaffected. At the same time, what we are, we have been reporting this particular issue from past 3 days. But one can clearly see that how after issuing of this statement, which was by MMRDA, now Sistra has also come to the fore issuing their statement. But this is not going to end anytime soon, as we see that there are again certain allegations that has been again leveled up by MMRDA against Sistra. This will be again wait and watch how Sistra reacts or responds to the allegations once again leveled by MMRDA.
Absolutely. All eyes on the response there. Allegations, counter-allegations coming to the fore. But of course, the citizens now waiting for the projects to be completed, which seem to be in a limbo given this entire tug of war between the two sides. Shweta, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details. In fact, viewers, our focus continues to be on the